All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and add your leads or your contacts over to REI Bot. So all you do is you go to the left-hand side, you go to where it says contacts, you click there, then you go to where it says import contacts on the right-hand side. You're going to go to upload a file and just make sure they all match. Phone, we don't need to import this one. So go to don't import data in unmatched columns, hit next, and then go ahead and name it something. That way it's going to create a list and you'll be able to get to that easy. So October code violations, today is 1115 or 11115. And then make sure you create a list of contacts from the import. That's going to help you stay a lot more organized. And then just hit submit. And then it usually takes a second to do its thing, but you can exit out of it. It'll still keep doing what it's going to do. Go to exit and you'll see all of these are now on here. You can see it's still updated, but now you have access to all of them. And then right up here, you'll see the different lists like I was talking about. So this is the list we just made, and that's going to be all the ones that we just uploaded into that list.